Hello everybody, my name is Jaedin. Tonight we just made finger puppets, okay? First we're going to show you the red one. Her name is Molly, okay? We're going to put it first over here. And this is Solly, the orange guy. And this is Nolly. This is Polly. And the last one, oops, she is Collie, the best of all I love. Okay? So these are the finger puppets we made. They're like in the show, but they don't have purple, just like this. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Okay? And after that, I want to have something fun to do. I forgot. Wait. Oops, not there. Hey! I'm putting these on the puppets. I said puppets. That's why I'm putting them on. They look real, right? Oops. Put them on the wrong one. When I do this, they look real because they're standing up. They're like standing up. Hey, I know. Look, I did it. They're colorful, okay? So this is Molly, this is Solly, this is Collie, Nolly, and Dolly. Forgot their names. Okay. Oh wait, I'm gonna read you a story, okay?